This poor seagull who got stuck in a kite string is rescued by US firefighters after some struggle. In the footage, a firefighter is seen standing on a ladder as the panicked seagull turns around in circles. After lowering the bird, an officer is finally able to free it. The gull was taken back to the fire station for a checkover before being released again.
Okay, that looks like a healthy...
The RSPCA has recently urged people to take care when flying their kites so the tackle doesn't get lost in nature, where it can harm not only birds but other animals as well.